morning, guys. I'm at the Adeo terminal here in beautiful city of Cancun. Hopped on the Adeo at about 1:30 in the morning, and I'm here for the day. Not too long. Actually, it's like a day and a half. And the reason I'm here is I came to pick up my brand new GoPro. As you all recall, back in when I was in Iztapa in Guerrero, my GoPro got damaged. Watch that video if you haven't seen it yet. I'll put the link in the description. And well, I got a new one. Thankfully, I've been paying for the premium membership at the GoPro.com. So they gave me another GoPro to replace the one that got damaged. But the problem with that was that the GoPro, because I purchased it in Canada, they sent it to Canada, and then to get it from Canada to Mexico was quite a headache, because to send it, you can't send it by regular mail because it has a battery. You have to send it by FedEx or UPS or one of those, and they wanted roughly between 130 to 150 Canadian to send it down. So I'm not paying that much. So luckily, finally, a few months later, the GoPro's been sitting in Canada all this time. I got a friend that came down to Cancun for a week, so I got him to do the favor and bring it down for me. And well, now I'm gonna go meet him today, pick it up, hang out a bit, hit the hotel zone, hit some beaches probably, not sure what else we're gonna do, and I'm gonna take you along for the journey, so stay tuned. Hope you all can hear me. I didn't bring any mic because no space. My backpack's full of stuff. I just brought some clothes for the day, clothes for the night in case we go out, beach clothes, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. New adventures in Cancun coming up. For now, I'm gonna head over across the street to the local OXXO, get myself a Monster. That's my version of a morning coffee, and then from there head on to my buddy's Airbnb and see how the day starts. Alright, so I got my Monster. Unfortunately, they didn't have the oh, that went down the wrong hole. Oh boy, that burns. Went down the wrong hole. So yeah, they didn't have the green cover one, so got this green sugar-free one. It's pretty good. And the reason I came over to this OXXO here also is because I'm about to order an Uber, and I know the taxis here in Cancun, they're like fighting with Uber drivers, so I didn't want to have them pick me up at the Adeo because all the taxis are parked there, right? I didn't want to start anything. So hopefully y'all can hear me. It's super freaking loud out here. I'm gonna call an Uber now, and we're gonna head on out to the Airbnb. We made it to the first beach here in beautiful Cancun. Welcome to Playa Tortugas. And ooh, this water is ice cold, but it is blue and beautiful. So it's the first of many beaches we're gonna check out. Enjoying an ice cold Modelo in the ice cold water. Back there you have the sea shuttle that takes you to Isla Mujeres. Look at this place. It's like a tropical dream. So we're gonna go in, and cool off a bit. Stay tuned, plenty of adventures coming up here in beautiful Cancun. And, oh wow, that's cold. It's cold, but it's nice and refreshing in this hot sun. It's like 25 degrees today and nothing but sand, a few rocks. We're gonna go in right now. I'm a little scared to wet the camera after last time. But this is beautiful, man. They got a line out there. You can't pass that because, you know, it's the dock out there with the like I said, the ferry that takes you across to Isla Mujeres. That's what you see back there. I'll try to zoom in for you all to see, and maybe we'll check that out while we're in beautiful Cancun. Who knows? Water's not too bad, about waist high so far. These waves are big. Oh, and it is cold.
20 minutes later.
Guys, look at this. On the other side of the rocks of Playa Tortuga, there's an old sailboat moored here. Look at that. Right on the next side, Playa Tortugas is back there. It's a whole bunch of giant rocks. You cross to the next side, and they got this old ship and a bunch of hotels back there. Isn't this beautiful?
2 hours later.
Stopped off at Los Parejas taquerias. You know what I'm getting? The nastiest stuff you can find. I got a cachete, ojo, that's chicken eye. We got a lengua, that's tongue, and tripa, which is tripe. 4 delicious tacos. Everybody else is grossed out than just one regular pork or beef.
Much later.
So we decided to come out here to eat dinner at Parque de las Palapas. Got my jumbo burrito, waiting for some orders for the rest of the group. Enjoying music while at. It's a real fun out here. We got them cooking some empanadas for the group to try out. And then we picked up from this side some tamales. They're eating it already. Look how packed this place is. Parque de las Palapas, always my favorite spot. We got everybody out here trying out their Mexican food, enjoying themselves. It's chaos out here. But that's why I love Parque de las Palapas so much.